It's Dirty Dan the Man, and welcome back to another video. So we're doing a little car review today. The car's not mine, but it's a car that I always liked, and I always thought they were super cool. Never really had the chance to drive one until today. So it's an older car. It's an AMG. Any guesses before I show you guys the car? But we're gonna show you the car. It's missing a few things because the owner, shout out to Vic, hasn't finished it all the way, but he just picked it up not too long ago and he already did some things to it. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the car. So it's a 2002 E55 AMG. Show you around the car. He already changed the wheels. It did come with the classic monoblocks, but he ended up going with these type of wheels. He's going for a more JDM style car, like build. So this is the car itself. He still has the tinted. He's gonna do a chrome tint on it, but if it were my car, I would put the emblems back on, like the E55 and the E55 AMG. I would put that back on. But just the way it's sitting, it's so sick. Like, you guys don't know how much I love old school AMG cars, old school Benzes, like the S-Class, the CL, the SL500, I believe. Love those cars. They look so gangster to me. So this one, super clean car. So let's go around it. You guys like this car, by the way? Let's go to the inside of the car, the driving, everything about it, the little knickknacks it has, and so on. So it has seat covers on it. It's black and gray interior. Back seat, you guys see the little buttons right here. Ashtray. Let's go in here real quick. Nothing too much here, just AC. You guys might hear a lot of wind. I forgot my microphones. This is open. I don't think this opens, but AC back here. Pretty good space back here. So let's go to the front and show you guys the front. So we're in the front right now. He changed the steering wheel already on it. You guys see right there, AMG. I would either like the original one or see if they have an aftermarket one for the stereo. It has heated seats for his ear. I believe this is the washer for the windshield, for the lights, I mean for the headlights. All the controls for the seat right here. The cup holder. Open this in the middle. I believe this one is supposed to have a phone in here, but they might have taken it off. Glove box, all the seat controls. Let's go ahead and turn it on. You guys can see in the back, the rear shade works. It's pretty, basic in here, nothing too much. The light controls, the parking brake. But this is, I don't know, something about having a car like in this generation. It just seems like this would have been a boss move to have. I believe in 2002, I read online there were around $70,000 for this, which is a lot of money. But let's get to driving this, see the experience on how it is driving this, and then I'll show you guys like all the little things right here, and then put it in sport mode for the trunk, the mirrors, the seat controls. Something I love from AMGs or Mercedes in general, how the hood opens like this. This is the engine. Big old engine for the ear of the car. So this is, I believe it's a 5.4 liter engine. and it makes around 349 horsepower, which was probably a lot for 2002. It looks so sick the way it opens like this. Is so cool. What do you guys like the car? I'm gonna go get my medals right now to do some POV driving with it right now. But let me take some pictures real quick and yeah, go get my medals. Having the window remote controls in the middle, so cool. AC works perfect in here. Simple cars sometimes are a little better. This is pretty cool, and it picks up real quick too. Still gotta get my medals to show you guys. I want to see if this works too right now, but I gotta get out of the car. You guys like these older Mercedes? Freaking love them, man. They're so cool. Little box, little storage. So just cruising this car, it's pretty sick. Look at this. And it pulls for what it is. I'm gonna show you guys some pulls from the outside right now so you guys can see what it looks like. And then have him rev it so I can get better angle. I want to see if you guys can hear it. It sounds pretty sick.
La gorra Chrome decorando mi cabeza. El prendón en el cuello pesa. Una voz me dice que esto apenas empieza. Por eso mami por mi reza. Yo no quiero grises comiendo en mi mesa.